Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to save a video from a TikTok message to your phone's gallery. If someone sent you a video through a TikTok direct message and you want to keep a copy on your device, here's how you can do it. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and sign into your account. Next, tap the Inbox tab and open the conversation that contains the video you want to save. Tap on the video to open it in a full screen. If the sender has allowed downloads, tap the share button and look for the save video option. Tap save video and the video will download it to your phone's gallery or Photos app automatically. If you don't see the save video option, it usually means the creator has disabled downloads or the video can't be saved due to its privacy settings. In that case, you won't be able to download the video directly through TikTok. Once the video has been saved, open your phone's gallery or Photos app to confirm that it's there. And that's it. That's how you can save a TikTok message video to your gallery. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.